Translate percent problems into linear equations and solve linear equations. So the directions say translate the question into an equation. So the percentage is a concept, and a percentage is always of a total amount, and it is going to be part of that total. So the key is the of is going to show you where the total is. The is going to show you where the part is. I'm going to show you how to do this as a horizontal linear equation. So we're not going to use fractions, which means we're going to use decimals. So 78% as a decimal, 78 divided by 100 is 0.78. The of is going to tell us to multiply, and that 77 is our total. So we're going to multiply by 77, and it is what? I don't know what it is, so we make that equal to x. The second problem we're also going to translate. What is the percent? I don't know what that is, so we'll make that a different variable. Let's say y. The of tells us that we are multiplying by 60. That's going to be our total. And the part, or the piece, is 5.8. So if we solve this first equation, everything is already on the left side of the equation, so we're just multiplying 78 hundredths times 77. That gives us 60.06. And that's going to be our answer. That's our number. On the left side, we have numbers on different parts. One is on the left side, one's on the right side. So we're going to have to divide by 60, the opposite of multiplying. We're going to have to do that on both sides. So y is going to equal 0.09 with a repeating 6. If you're using a decimal, you'll see, or calculator, you'll see a 7 at the end, but the 6's are just repeating. So here's the tricky part. This answer has not been converted into a percentage, which is what it's asking for, a percent. So to convert decimals to percents, you must multiply by 100. So if you take that decimal and you multiply it by 100, you would get 9.66 repeating as a percent. So depending on the directions and how you have to round, that's how you'd get your answer. And now let's just practice some more. So 40% is 0.40. It's of 27, so that's multiplied by 27, and that's going to equal our answer. For the second one, 20% is 0.20. We are going to multiply by what? I don't know. And that's going to equal 79. The second one, or the third one, what percent? I don't know. Let's make that z. Of 25, we're going to multiply by 25, and that's going to equal 50. And now we can go back and actually do all of this math. So for the first problem, everything is already on the left side, so we just straight up multiply. X is 10.8. For the second problem, you have numbers on the left and the right side. We have to divide by 0.20, because that's the opposite of multiplying. And 79 divided by 0.20 is 395. And then the last one, same concept as the second one. They're on opposite sides, so we're going to have to divide by 25. So z equals 2. But wait, there's more. This is asking for a percentage. You cannot just put a random percent sign. You need to convert to a percent, which means we're going to multiply by 100. 2 times 100 is 200. That is your percentage. So it is possible to have percents that are larger than 100. It's just based on the work and the math and where the numbers fall.